I want to make a paper boat, fold it up and help it float. But a naughty little bird keeps on pecking, oh how absurd. Flap, 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 away he flies with a twinkle in his silly eyes. Let me build, I laugh and shout, while he dances all about.
Hi everyone! Googo and I are going to show you how to make this cool paper boat and animate it using just a piece of yarn. Ready? First, we need a piece of paper with these dimensions. Follow my steps closely. Fold the paper right down the middle. Now fold both sides inward to meet that center crease. Next, bring this edge up to the first fold line. Perfect! Do the exact same thing on the other side. Now place this edge on that top fold line. Fold it from the corner just like this. 1, 2, now do the same on the opposite side. We're going to do the same thing for this smaller section. Fold it once, and then fold it one more time. Now bring this edge right to the middle, and just like me, press these two sections together. Fold the other side of the paper the exact same way. Make sure to keep it neat and even. Now put your fingers right in the center and gently pull it. Oh, look at that! Our boat body is ready! Now for the sail, we need a piece of paper with these dimensions. Draw a straight line from this point to this point. Next, draw a nice curve, just like this, and cut it out with your scissors. To make the second sail match perfectly, place your cutout on top of another piece of paper, trace the edge with a pencil, and cut it out. Now we have 2 identical sails. We also need a small paper rectangle and a thin stick or a straw. Apply some glue to one side of the sail. Place the stick on it and put the second sail right on top, pressing them together. Now poke a tiny hole right in the middle of the small rectangle. Slide the stick through, add some glue, and secure it to the bottom of the boat. And there you go! Our beautiful sailboat is all set. Now for the most exciting part, bringing it to life with animation. To create the ocean waves, we'll need some blue yarn. The yarn needs to spin in a loop like this to look like moving waves. The process is super simple. Place your boat on the yarn and take your first picture. Now twist the yarn just a little bit, place the boat back on top, and take a second picture. Keep repeating this process. Just remember one important rule, kids. Always spin the yarn in the same direction so the ocean moves naturally. And look at that! Our awesome boat is sailing smoothly across the waves. What do you think, Gugu? Did you like it?
Yay!
Kids, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fun crafts and cool animations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!